take a picture at me.
Yeah, I'm taking a picture of Sissy because she's standing up. Come over here and see the picture. Come on this side, all the way around. Look, there's your sister. Look at look right here. Look right here. Come here. Look right there. There's your sister, and she's standing up like a big girl. Oh, down she went. Why don't you go sit in your chair and I'll take your picture.
Okay.
Is that your new chair?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a cool chair. Sissy likes it too. Someday when you're too big, it'll be Sissy's chair, won't it? You gonna stand up again, Sissy?
She's gonna stand up again.
Well, she might try.
He might try.
Are you gonna stand up?
He's here.
Oh, you can do it! You can do it!
Oh. I can do it.
You can stand up, yeah. Can you stand up, Sissy? Oh, she saw the camera. Hi, Sissy. Give her a kiss. You give Sissy a kiss. That's a sweet boy.